Good morning, students. How are you? Have you done your exercises regularly? Yes, students. In previous video, we have learned the chapter understanding shapes. Yes, students. In that, I think till 8.1 is over. After that, some property I have taken, but whatever is remaining from that chapter, I will take that afterwards. Okay, first I will take your revision of starting chapters. Okay, on that basis we are going to assess you. Okay, students, now you can see on the screen one example is there, and that example is from your chapter fractions and decimal. Okay, now in that chapter we have learned the multiplication of fraction by a whole number or a fraction with fraction. Yes, students, so many things we have learned. We have learned the division also, then decimal also, expanded form of decimal, then addition and subtraction of decimal, then multiplication of decimals. We have learned all these things. Now we are going to revise all that properties, all that things in this revision. Okay, students, now the first question is find 15 multiplied by 7 1 upon 35. You can see 7 1 upon 35 is a fraction. Yes, and fraction is multiplied with a whole number. You have to multiply this and tell me the answer. What is the answer for this? Okay, students, now you can see this answer is 7 upon 9. How it is 7 upon 9? Because in 15 table, 15 ones are 15 and 15 nines are 135. So 7 upon 9. Okay, students, let's take another example. The next question is find 63 multiplied by 2 by 7. Now you can see in the table of 7, 63 is there. Yes, 7 ones are 7. Yes, and 7 eights are, or 7 nines are. What it is? 7 nines are 63. So 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. So 9 twos are 18. So answer will be 18. Okay, students, understand this question, how to multiply? Yes, the question is for multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Okay, students, this is only the revision. Now the next question is 744 multiplied by 2 upon 24. Now you can see all these numbers are divisible by 2. We can divide it by 2 and the final answer will be 62 only. Okay, students, you have to multiply that. How it will come, you have to tell me. Okay, the next question is, I am just taking your revision. Okay, you are having your notes and I want all the notes are written. Okay, students, you have to write that and take a camera, scan that and convert in JPG and then upload it on your drive. Okay, don't forget to upload on drive. Don't give me an email, I will not check it. Okay, students, you have to upload all the materials, whatever assignment is given, whatever homework is given, and whatever the notes are there. Okay, that all things you have to upload on your Google Drive. After that, I will check all the materials. Okay, students, now you have to do the activity also. Whatever activity I have taken, that also you have to write in activity. Whatever what you are writing, you have to write the aim of that activity, then materials, which materials are required, then what is the procedure which is written in the activity book, that you have to copy. Okay, don't write in your language. Then after, what is the observation, whatever the things I have told, you have to write in activity book. And whatever activity is done, take a photo of that. That means if you have made a cube or then net, whatever you have made, you have to take the photo of that. Okay students, and whatever thing is stick, you have to stick in activity book and take a photo of that and send and upload on Google Drive. Okay students, now take next example is 4500 multiply by 2 upon 90. You can see 0 can be cancelled, and in the table of 9 45 is there. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So 50 will be there. 50 multiplied by 2, 100. What will be the answer? Yes, it is 100. Okay, like this you have to take the multiplication of whole number by a fraction. Okay, now one more example is there. 495 multiplied by 4 upon 55. Now pause the video and try to solve this and tell me the answer. What is the answer? Okay students, I will check you have written in the comment box or not. Okay students, you have to write that. Now this is for you. Pause the video. Okay, I will give the 2 or 3 minute or 1 minute I will give. Solve this. What will be the answer? Yes students, tell me the answer for that. You can see 495 and 55 both are divisible by, yes, both are divisible by 5. Yes, you can solve like that. Otherwise check whether they are divisible by 11 or not. Okay students, and tell me the answer. Let's take another example. 2 upon 24 multiplied by 960. And you all know in multiplication the commutative property hold. Okay students, these already learn. Pause the video and try to solve the questions. The answer for this will be yes, all numbers are divisible by 2 or all numbers are divisible by 4 also. Divide that and tell me the answer. The next is 3 upon 70 multiplied by 4900. You can see 0 can be cancelled, and in the table of 7 49 is there. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. So 3 multiplied by 70. So 210 will be the answer. Okay, see 210. Okay student, this is the solution for the 3 upon 70 multiplied by 4900. Now the next is 1 upon 9 multiplied by 36. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So 4 multiplied by 1, answer is 4. Okay students, understand how to take the multiplication of whole number by a fraction. Okay, let's take the next type of questions. Now the next question is for division. Okay, you can see on the screen. Find the value of 6 upon 3 divided by 30. How we are going to write? 6 upon 30, division sign is there, and 13. After that, what the step is there? After that, we are going to instead of division, we are going to take a multiplication, and we are taking the reciprocal of 30. Yes students, like this we are taking. The answer for this will be 1 upon 15. You have to tell me the answer how it is come. Okay students, 6 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 30. So 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30, 5 threes are 15. Like this 1 upon 15 will come. Okay students, let's take one more. Find the value of 18 upon 7 divided by 144. That means 18 upon 7, division sign is there, and 144. After that step, 18 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 44. So answer for that will be 1 upon 56. Okay students, understand this. Let's take another example. The next is find the value of 45 upon 8 divided by 270. Okay, now in that question 45 upon 8, division sign is there, and after division sign 270 is there. Yes students, Then after what is the step? 45 upon 8 as it is. Then instead of division we are going to take which sign? We are taking the multiplication, and after that we are going to take the reciprocal of second fraction. What is second fraction? Second fraction is 270, because 270 can be written as 270 upon 1, and the reciprocal of that will be 1 upon 270. Only we are going to interchange the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. That is called the reciprocal. Yes, students? So the answer for that will be 1 upon 48. Okay? Like this you have to solve all the questions. Try to solve the questions from the fun tool so that your doubts will be clear. Okay, students? Now take one more example. Find the value of 116 upon 31. 116 upon 31 is a mixed fraction. First you have to convert that into improper, and after that you have to take the division. Okay, students? What will be the improper fraction of that? You have to tell me. This question is for you. Pause the video and try to solve this question. What will be the answer will come? You have to write in comment box. I will check how many of students have solved these examples, and you have to watch this video till the end. Okay, students? Every video you have to watch till the end and try to understand whatever is taught. Okay, students? Let's take one more example. The next is find the value of 2 upon 5 divided by 2 by 5. Now mixed fraction is divided by a fraction. Now 2 upon 5. What will be the value of that in improper fraction? First we are going to take the multiplication of 3 with 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. Yes, 17 upon 5 is improper. Why it is improper? Yes, numerator is greater than denominator. That's why it is called improper fraction. Yes, students? And the next is also improper, 2 upon 5, or no? It is proper because denominator is greater than numerator. Yes? So it is called proper. And first will be the, after converting mixed fraction, it will become the improper. Now divide that. The value of that will be 17 upon 2. Okay, students? The final value of 2 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 5, that answer will be 17 upon 2. Okay? Understand how to take the division? Okay, we will take the next topic. Now the question is for many operations in one example. Okay, now here two operation, that means subtraction is there. One operation two times, that means subtraction. Simplify 32 upon 18 minus 12 upon 18 minus 10 upon 18. In that we can directly subtract the numerator because in each fraction denominator is same. So 32 minus 12, whatever the answer, that is, yes, 32 minus 12. What will be the answer? 20 will be there or 10 will be there? 20. Yes, so 20 minus 10, 10 upon 18. Yes, and 10 upon 18 can be written as 5 upon 9 because 10 is in the table of 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. So final answer will be 5 upon 9. If the denominator are same, that time we can take the addition of numerator or subtraction of numerator. If the denominator are not same, first we have to make the denominator same, then after we can take the addition or subtraction. Okay? For multiplication and division, there is no requirement of same denominator. Okay, students? But for addition and subtraction, the denominator must be same. Okay? Don't forget this thing. Now let's take one more example. 1 upon 17 minus 4 upon 17 plus 4 upon 17. What will be the answer? Directly tell me the answer. Don't take subtraction or addition. You can see the last two are opposite of each other, so their value will be 0. So final answer will be 1 upon 17. Yes, the correct answer is 1 upon 17. Minus 4 upon 17 plus 4 upon 17. The answer will be 0. So 1 upon 17 plus 0. Answer is 1 upon 17. Okay students. So answer will be 1 upon 17. Understand this, how to take the subtraction. In the subtraction addition are together. Okay. Let's take one more example. 20 upon 40 plus 27 upon 40 minus 44 upon 40. Now in all the fraction denominator are same, so we can take addition, subtraction. Okay, so first take 20 plus 27. What will be the answer? 47. Yes, 47 minus 44. 47 minus 44 will be 3 upon 40. Yes or no? 3 upon 40 is the correct answer. Okay students, understand? Okay, let's take one more example. Now this is an example of mixed fraction, then fraction. So this question is for you. First convert mixed fraction into improper, then take the subtraction and addition. Pause the video and solve this and write the answer in comment box. Okay, I will give some time to you solve this, and you have to watch the video regularly. Okay students, so that each and everything is taught by your teacher or me. Okay, that will be clear to you. There is no doubt in teaching. Okay, now this second example, 2 upon 5 plus 22 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Now this example is also for you. First convert into improper, then take the sub addition, and after that take the subtraction. Okay students, pause the video and take a notebook with you, rough notebook, and in that try to solve this. Okay, last year's notebook you are having, if there is a rough page, in that you have to solve this and tell me the answer. This question is the similar one. 15 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 minus 15 upon 5. This is also for you. Okay students, in the next video we will be taking the word problem based on this topic, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, in that we will be seeing the word problem depending upon the fractions. If you are having any doubt, you can mail me, and don't forget to upload your materials on Drive. Okay students, I will check that.